Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we are back to doing another unboxing. Which one are we doing today? Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. So, Ultimate Magic Box, and this is $119 plus shipping. We're gonna dive into this, and that's coming up right now. Okay, so, little explanation. I know that you're seeing this very late. This is actually June's box. So, they had some delays, and they said if you're willing to wait for the whatever they were waiting for, they'd send us something extra. The extra thing came separate from this. It was in a little Bibbidi Bobbidi bag, and it is this, which is a little Mickey card holder, which I am really excited about because I'm going to use this in the parks. Generally, I carry a pretty thick wallet, but in the parks, you just need what? Your credit card, driver's license, and that's it. So I'm going to use this, and I like it a lot. I'll put a better picture in the photo box, boop, right there for you. So I'm excited about this. I don't know if this is going to be on the spoiler sheet or not, but I guess we'll find out together. I have no idea what this goes for, so it's a bonus. All right. That said, plus it's actually even more late. So we received this, I want to say July 6th, and then and then we had a lot of videos in the queue. We got a lot of stuff and did a lot of different things. We just kind of fell behind, so this one just kind of had to wait. You ready? Done waiting. Alright. So, on the front is... Oh. Bless you.
Thank you.
Where was I? Happiness is a state of mind. It's just according to the way you look at things. I can't focus now. Can you focus? I'll put a better picture of this in the photo box. Boop. On the back there's a handwritten note, and it's, "Hi Chris and Mary, please take a moment to update your preference manager so we have your most recent faves when curating your box. Also check out the Club BB wish list for our most recent Loungefly and or Danielle Nicole selections available. We hope you love your box. Love BBB, Becky." That's really cool. And they're right, I haven't updated the preferences on BBB in a long time. I need to do that, so that's cool that they just sent that reminder, because they're right. I haven't changed much. Alright, here's the spoiler sheet. We will wait on that. Did I put a picture of the... Boop. Alright. And we've got kind of a lavender. Would you say lavender?
I would say lavender, yes.
Tissue paper and the BBB sticker and... Whoa. Alright. There is a fair amount of confetti in here. First thing... May have gotten a bit carried away with that one. First thing is awesome. It is the poison apple. What? Is this? That's not a sticker, it's in the plastic. They're making their own stuff now? What? It's metal on the inside. It's made really nice. That's so cool! I'll put a better picture on the photo. In the photo box. Boop. Alright. That's really cool. Next up, we've got a magnet, and this is really It is the Skyliner, and it's the version that has the hitchhiking ghosts on it, and it's a magnet. Love it! Super cute. I'll put a better picture. Boop. Alright. Now we've got some stickers on. There's a good one in here. So we've got Hitchhiking Ghost sticker. Boop. We've got It's a Small World sticker. Boop. We have Enchanted Tiki Room sticker. Boop. And one of my favorite rides, the People Mover sticker. Boop. That's cool. I might put that on like a cup or something. That's nice. Alright. Next up we have an Alex and Ani. Get it out of the bag. It's Haunted Mansion Alex and Ani. That's really cool. It's gold and then it almost has like an antique-y kind of look to it. And that's straight from the parks. I'll put a better picture. Boop. It's a lot of boops today. I'm just full of boops. So recently somebody had commented that why can't I just open stuff? Sorry, I don't have it in me. You found the wrong channel. Oh man, it is such a good day. So Haunted Mansion, Steamboat Willie, how cool. We always love kitchen stuff. We do not have this cutting board. I am digging that. I'll put a better picture. Boop. Alright. And that is the whole shebang. That's everything. So, let's take a look at the spoiler sheet. It's locked. Got it! I'll put this up on the screen. Boop. So, the cutting board, $34. The tumbler, so it says BBX Girly Girl Creations. So it is theirs. And it is... Wow, that's really cool. Good job, guys. That's awesome. That's $40. The magnet is $3.50. The decals are free. Oh, they included an extra sparkle pack. Thank you for the patience. That's cool. Thank you, guys. And the bracelet is $50. So total value $127.49, and like I said, the box is $119 plus tax. $119 plus shipping. So it's right around there. Really cool stuff. We love everything that's in here. Not mad at all. And now I know I gotta go update my preferences, even though, like, I feel like I don't need to, because I like everything. So I don't know. Maybe I'll take a look at it. And I definitely will check out the wish list. If you would like to check out our last video, it's right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, that'd be awesome. Click the button right here. Hope you're having a great day.